Hiya, I'm here at Maida Vale. I mean, how cool is that? And it's the end of November 2024, and we're about to receive some Mark Twos, but not our regular Mark Twos, not the waiting list ones. These are non-waiting list pedals, and this one is built by Ian Sherwen of Ghost Effects, brilliant builder, who was involved in our Mark One project. And no surprise, really, that his circuit looks slightly more modern than the other builders. Very cool, very sort of fruity looking. I love it. But when I spoke to him, he said, "Ant, yeah," he said, "I would love to be involved in the project, but Mark Two's not normally my thing. I'm a Mark One guy. I mean, fair enough." So I shouldn't have really been surprised when I plugged it in, and it's like a Mark Two with this amazing Mark One edge. The clean bit of Mark One Velcro going on there. So the cleanup's a bit more dramatic than our other Mark Twos. Out of the four, this is probably the one that goes most towards sort of psychedelia. In fact, I'll just quickly chuck a Les Paul through it and just see where it goes with some humbuckers. Oh, yeah. Almost a little bit too much. I kind of like it around 8 or 9, and I love the telly through it. Honestly, if you like Mark 1s, you like Mark 2s, you're going to absolutely love this pedal. It's in, it's the most, it's in actually in a gold hammerite. We were originally going to use on a Mark 1, but we just decided on a different one, and we had a big pot of it, and we just thought, you know what, it's too good to waste, and this looks great on a Mark 2. It's almost like this gold nugget of a pedal. It's a beautiful thing. It's in our Sandcast case. Some pretty cool transistors. We're on metal can OC74s. Slightly more modern caps, big orange drops in there. Oh, it's just a beautiful thing. It's just a beautiful thing. Vintage loose wiring. It's built by an absolute master of electronics, and it should be, hopefully, there'll be one or two available on the site soon. I'm a very lucky man, believe me. Yeah. Very lucky. Me and my cousin Steve, we run Sola Sound, and that was our father's company. We're luckiest guys in the world, really, aren't we? Anyway, there we have it. The Ian Sherwen, first ever, I think, Pro Mark II tone bender for Solar sound. Rock and roll.